Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some swatches and review upon pretty gel polishes and some regular nail polish. So the first one is a regular nail polish and shade number 52439, and it's a reflective gel polish, which means the glitter gonna reflect at the light. So if you actually put your nails under the flashlight, they actually gonna reflect them, and it's gonna look like you got diamonds on your nail. And this one is a 7 ml bottle, and it's a regular nail polish, which means you don't need any UV gel to cure it. And it's a 7 ml bottle, so you get enough quantity. Don't worry about the quantity because it's Burberry gel polish actually to give you pretty much good quantity. And you can see that it doesn't give you good full coverage because it's normal, it's a glitter gel polish. You can't expect to have full coverage in just one coat because they are not meant to do so. This one you can actually use as a topper on a regular nail polish, or if you want to actually have this shade on your nail, you can apply about 3 coats, but make sure that your previous coat are fully dry, because if they are not, then it's not gonna work. So this is how does it look after one coat. Next shade is actually a gel polish, shade number 53226. It's come in a black bottle and it's a 10 ml bottle. So there isn't a difference between the formula, but just the quantity. So they have different bottles about depending on the quantity. And this is actually a beautiful ruby color, and you can actually use it for weddings or for parties. If you say this one actually give you kind of jelly coverage, like the coverage that jelly nail polish do give you, it give you like that kind of coverage. But if you want to have full coverage, you can go for 2 coats. Otherwise one coat should be more than enough to have that kind of jelly effect. So the next shade is this one. It's 53087, and it is a 7 ml bottle. It's again a reflective gel polish. This one is actually multi-shade. It's look like green, but depending on the view of from where you sink your nail, it changes to blue and then you get to green. And this one actually got different size of glitters in it. So you're gonna have small glitters, chunky glitters, and actually you can see that on the brush it's look like it's green, but on the while I'm swatching it looks like it's blue, but it's kind of multi-shade. So this is how does this one looks like. And again, it's kind of jelly color, so you can either decide to have jelly coverage or the other one. So next one is this one, 52337, and this one is actually a normal basic color. So it's not a reflective gel color, but it's like a normal gel polish. And again, it's coming in 10 ml bottle, and it's kind of burgundy color or royal pink. I don't know how you call this color. Kind of royal shade, and it gives you full coverage in just one coat. And the brush size is actually pretty good, and it's not too big, too small. It's perfect. Like if you're a beginner, you should actually go for these gel polishes because they are very smooth when you apply them, and they actually don't put much product, which means you're not gonna risk to have uncured gel. So the next shade, this one is 53087. It's again a reflective gel polish, and it's come in 7 ml bottle. That's why it's in this white and golden kind of bottle. And you don't need to think about that there is a difference between the formula, because there is not. And this is actually my favorite one. A kind of royal pink color, like royal burgundy color, but this one is actually glitter one. So I know it doesn't give you full coverage in just one color, because I can't expect that from any kind of gel polish, any kind of glitter gel polish especially. But if you want to use this one as topper, your nail actually gonna pop up. Like I'm gonna show you later how they look with the flashlight, because with the ring light they actually pretty different, but with the flashlight they look so good. So this is how does they look under the flashlight. So this is the regular nail polish, so you can see that it's actually look pretty good. Just look at the shine, they look like diamonds. And this is how does the bottle looks like, and you can see there is a huge difference between without this flashlight and with the flashlight. With the ring light you could even see the glitters. This is how does the second one looks like. It's the ruby one, the red one, and again there is a huge difference between without the flash and with the flash. You can see that there is a huge shine with the glitters, and if you use this like for late night parties, your nail is actually gonna pop up a lot. So this is how does the third one looks like. It's the pink shade, and you can see the glitters are more visible with the flashlight, and they were not visible that much with the ring light. And this is how does they look. It's full of glitters. I love it. And then this is how does the actual gel polish look like. So this is the fourth shade, and it's actually pretty good. It's the green one, and these are actually perfect for like Christmas, like for the Christmas season or for the Halloween. In fact, if you use these as your part of your Halloween nail art, and if you go out at the night, they actually gonna pop up a lot, so they're gonna keep the focus on your nails. And this is how does they look without the flashlight. You can see there is a huge difference, like the grills are not even visible with the ring light. Without the ring light, they actually look like a normal nail polishes, but they actually, you can see they are surprise nail polish because the surprise effect just comes when you turn on the flashlight. So this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I will see you very soon. Bye.